At this point, you already know how to say Dumelang, and you are like,
Dumela, welcome back to Sona class. Today I'll be telling you guys 5 things that you should do in Botswana. And if you do these 5 things, you might not wanna leave. Okay. So number 1 is find a local friend. I think this applies to everywhere you go. I feel like if you are going to countries like South Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, wherever you go, I feel like if you have a local friend, you will be able to enjoy the place better. I think, yeah, that's just me. Number two is go to a Sunday soccer. I feel like, yeah, man, if you are in Botswana, you have to at least experience the Sunday soccer. Sunday soccer is soccer games that are organized on a Sunday, and people are playing these games regularly or weekly every Sunday. So, like, if you are in the city, if you're in the village, they just best believe there's a Sunday soccer happening somewhere. Go there. That's where you're gonna meet everybody that loves soccer, or everybody that you might want to hang out with, especially if you are like a guy. I don't know what girls do, so if you are like a woman, maybe this might not be for you. But if you love soccer, just go check it out, and you will be surprised how many other ladies you will find over there. Number 3 will be try the local food. Local foods, pap, setswana, which is like meat, pounded meat. Just call it setswana, and you are in for it. Flavorful, real Setswana meat, morogo, all those type of foods. And I feel like those people that sell those foods are very friendly, and you will be able to become friends with them. Especially if you are staying in Botswana for a long period of time and you went there for work and stuff like that. So you might want to start there if you can't find somebody local to be your friend, and those people might connect you with somebody, you know. What number is this? Find a friend, Sunday soccer, food, local food. Number 5 is attend weddings, even a funeral, but attend, weddings, funeral. If you're staying in Botswana for a long period of time, so I will encourage you to attend funerals. Especially if like it's close by, you know, like that is like the Setswana way of doing things. If people are having either a mourning or celebrating, you just go there and support, and that's where you also get to meet a lot of people. And if they know that you are not like from Botswana, then you will be like treated with that foreign what do you call it? Yeah, there's privilege, foreigner privilege. Enjoy. That's number 4. Yeah, just go a random wedding. If you see a wedding happening, especially in the villages or even in towns, cities, which they don't happen as often, just get in there. Don't worry, nobody's gonna ask for invitation. And if you're in trouble, I'm not involved. If you get in trouble, don't say, hey. Anyway, trust me, just go to a random wedding. You will enjoy. You will be given enough food. You might even want to carry some, skaftinian or something. That's how we call it, like something that you can put extra food to take home. It's a strategy I'm teaching you. Number 5, it will be like tipping. Tipping in Botswana is kind of like there's tipping, also there's no tipping. Like, for example, if you go to places like Nando's or KFC, there's no really like tipping like that is like structured. I don't know. So if you go to those places, a place where you see there is no tip, even like going to buy local food or something like that, just if you can tip, it's like I am telling you, just tip. I mean, if you have money, if you don't have money, people won't hold it against you that you didn't tip. But if you have money to tip, 5 pula, 10 pula, whatever you have. If you are receiving like some kind of help from somebody, if you tip them, I am telling you that will, especially if you're staying there and let's say it's a restaurant that you will be going there, then you will be remembered. Like, oh, this is the guy that tips, then you get even better service next time. Yeah, that's all that I thought of now. You will notice that these things that I had said here, they're not really for touristic things, because when you Google what 5 things to do in Botswana, they would say go swim with the hippos, or walk where the hippos swim, or I don't know, eat a snake with a crocodile, pet a giraffe, I don't know, something about tourism. So this is like when you know you're going to live in Botswana maybe a month or 2 months, or you're going to be working in Botswana for however long. This is the way to start building your community around you. So if you're tipping, and when you go the next time, people will remember you. If you're going to a Sunday soccer, if you're playing soccer, even better, you might want to join a team, So hopefully this will be helpful. I know this sounds a lot, but trust me, when you're in Botswana, everything will be easy. I do hope that you guys are traveling to Botswana watching this, and this will be helpful. If it's not, then I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. If you are in Botswana and you're like, wow, this is like the randomest 5 things you should do in Botswana, leave a comment down below. Let us know what are the 5 things that you think people should do in Botswana. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle.